Huawei has just launched a new Windows and macOS competitor. We are talking about HarmonyOS PC. This new operating system has been announced at the HarmonyOS Computer Technology event, where it is pointed out that HarmonyOS 5.0 has been rebuilt from Huawei. His own kernel optimized for high performance, low power consumption, and compatibility with more than 2,000 applications, including 150 designed exclusively for PCs. Although it's clear that these 150 applications, which I believe will be developed in Chinese, are indeed gaining more and more popularity. For instance, within the popular Chinese applications, we can find WPS Office, Filmora, many Wondershare applications, CapCut, and several others. However, the most popular ones like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, and numerous others still do not have an edition adapted for these computers. Therefore, they have a long journey ahead. It will be extremely challenging to attempt to replace Windows or Mac. Huawei describes the interface as more fluid in comparison to Windows. It provides a lower app dock for quick access to applications like the browser and gallery, and also features customizable widgets for the home screen. These widgets allow you to control music, calendar, gestures, and more. In fact, it supports 3-finger gestures for switching between windows or wiping the screen. It also introduces a new graphics engine named Arc, which offers smooth animations even with multiple windows are possible due to parallel rendering and pixel optimization. Therefore, it appears that by designing a practical operating system from the ground up, Huawei is able to significantly optimize every possible aspect. In this instance, it supports visual effects like dynamic backgrounds, nature themes, and even more. Actually, it also includes Celia, which is Huawei's voice assistant. In this particular case, it is powered by artificial intelligence models such as Pangu, 5.0, and DeepSeek. So through this assistant, you could manage complex tasks such as creating document summaries, real-time translations, extracting data from images, or quickly answering queries. But here, the interesting thing will be whether Huawei will launch its next computers with this operating system globally or leave it exclusively for China. HarmonyOS PC also allows multi-device collaboration, such as copying text from a Huawei smartphone, sharing the keyboard and mouse between all Huawei PCs, and sharing the keyboard and mouse between all Huawei PCs. The new solution can be used across devices or continue applications on different devices. It also supports more than 1,000 peripherals, including 800 standard keyboards and monitors, and 250 non-standard ones, such as printers and scanners. On the security side, they include StarShield, which is supposed to offer chip-level encryption. They also have a privacy mode that disables the camera, microphone, and location, very similar to what we see on their cell phones, and they also integrate near-link technology for this would enable more advanced connectivity, allowing for some localization with your cell phone to quickly locate your computer. Remarkably, it is said that this feature would work even if the computer is turned off. For companies, they will offer something more sophisticated, featuring an application center, cloud deployment, and management tools. This effort is designed to compete with Microsoft Enterprise solutions. Although I believe it will be quite challenging to accomplish this, it marks the beginning of that journey. In fact, this launch is occurring amidst tensions between China and the US. As you are aware, Huawei faces numerous sanctions and restrictions preventing them from accessing advanced chips and Google services, as well as Windows. Consequently, Huawei is striving to endure these challenges, leading them to develop their own products in an effort to attain technological self-sufficiency.